In this video, I'm going to show you how to check your Lycamobile Puk code easily. The Puk code is important if your SIM gets locked after entering the wrong PIN too many times, so it's good to know how to find it quickly. First, log in to your Lycamobile online account at lycamobile.co.uk using your phone number and password. Once logged in, go to the My Account or SIM Settings section. Here, you should see your Puk code listed. If you don't have an online account, you can contact Lycamobile customer service by calling 321 from your Lycamobile phone or calling their support number from another phone. When you contact customer support, be ready to provide your account details for verification. Avoid guessing your Puk code, as entering it wrong too many times can permanently block your SIM card. If you can't access your online account or reach customer service, check the original SIM packaging or any welcome letters. Sometimes the Puk code is printed there. Once you have your Puk code, enter it carefully on your phone when prompted to unlock your SIM. That's all you need to easily find and use your Lycamobile Puk code. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel for more simple and quick mobile tips.